iPhone 13 Pro I got from China. You can see this is my name. If you know me on Instagram, Testis Import, okay, and you can see China to Nigeria, okay. So I'll be telling you, I'll be explaining to you how I got this phone, where I got it from, which app I got it from, how I shipped it and got it here in Nigeria in 24 hours. Okay, so I got this phone not from 1688, not from Pindodo, not from Alibaba. I got it offline, from offline supplier. Okay, so this supplier is so patient, in fact he gave me this phone at the price of for the price of 256 gig. This is 512 gig, and after so much back and forth, he gave me for, in fact, a huge discount. Okay, so I will explain to you to how much I got this phone. So I got it from offline supplier. Buying and shipping of this phone is 4 days. It took 4 days, but when I paid, they delivered it to my shipping company yesterday on the 6th of March, yesterday, and it got here, and we picked it up on the 7th of March, today. Okay, so this phone in my country here in Nigeria, is very expensive. I got this phone, both buying and shipping it is 720 thousand. Okay, so shipping it is 32,550, and it's express 24 hours. I got this phone here in Nigeria. Okay, so let me unbox it so you can see what we have here. All right, let's unbox. So let's unbox it. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, the package is actually bigger than this. Woo! Can you see? The package is bigger than this. I told the shipping company to remove all those excess this thing from it. So this is it. Now let's open it. Guys, this package no be here. Can you see? It's sealed, right? It's sealed. So let's remove it. Can you see? And then you remove it from here as well. Can you see? So they sealed it, right? So let's unbox. Let's see what we have in here. Can you see it? Can you see? This is it. This is the phone. Okay, so let me open it. Let me remove this. Can you see it? Let's on it and see, right? This is iPhone 13 Pro, 512 gigs. See how beautiful it is. It's very beautiful. Can you see? So there are some things you need to look out for when you are buying a phone from China. When you're buying the phone from China, okay, there are some things you need to look out for, right? Things like the model number of that phone, right? There are some that are M, which means it's brand new, like from Apple directly. It has not been touched, nothing, nobody has tampered with it. And we have F, which is refurbished. Then we have N, which is replacement. Okay, it's replacement. So you need to look out for all this when you are buying the phone from China. All right, so there's nothing like China produced. China does not have an original phone. If you open this phone now, if you buy your iPhone in Nigeria or US and check inside, you will see coupled in China, right? So if you want to learn how to import from iPhone from China, Samsung, laptop, iPad, Surface Pro, anything, gaming pad, all those things, let me know. Send me a DM. I will put you through. Or if you want me to help you to buy, okay, send me a DM too. I can help you buy. And if you want the supplier's contact, the supplier I got this one from, if you want their contact, let me know. Okay, it's not for free. You will pay for it. The supplier's contact, let me know. But if you want me to train you, I will train you. I will guide you to import your phone down to Nigeria. Okay, so I will be ending this video here.